Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable map catching on the Marine Traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, click to the icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and tap to the map options. Scroll down and here you can find the map catching option. Allows the app to catch map elements in the device storage for fast access and less use of the internet. Actually, I use that, but if you want to turn off, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.